Hello everyone and welcome to the fifth match in round 2 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's St. Hugh's Prep from St. Andrew up against Mount Airy All-Age from Westmoreland. I'm your host, Sheldon Reed, and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In Section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Mount Airy All-Age won. They decided that St. Hugh's Prep should play first. So St. Hugh's Prep with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which of Isaac's sons was Airy?
Esau.
Correct. Bible knowledge to you, Mount Airy All-Age. Which Bible name means father of many nations?
Adam.
Incorrect. Abraham. St. Hugh's, science. How many parts make up the stamen of a flower?
Two.
Correct. Science to you, Mount Airy. The anther is one part of the stamen of a flower. What is the name of the other part?
The filament.
The filament.
Correct. Jamaican affairs to you, St. Hugh's. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andrew Barnes.
Incorrect. President of the JTA Credit Union, Paul Adams. Jamaican affairs to you, Mount Airy All-Age. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Patrick Hilton.
Incorrect. CEO of the Jamaica National Group, Earl Jarrett. English language, St. Hugh's. Spell the word chemistry.
Chemistry.
Correct. English language to you, Mount Airy All-Age. Please spell the word catastrophe.
CATASTROPHE.
Correct. Television to St. Hugh's. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Delia Henry.
Incorrect. Sierra Ramirez. Television to you, Mount Airy. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Juliana Moore.
Incorrect. Maya Mitchell. General knowledge, St. Hugh's. In what year did Haiti gain independence from Europe?
1804.
Correct. General knowledge, Mount Airy. Haiti and the Dominican Republic make up which Caribbean country?
Hispaniola. Hispaniola.
Correct. Social studies for St. Hugh's. Cuba is to Spanish as Haiti is to what?
French.
Correct. Social studies to you, Mount Airy. Jamaica is to English as Aruba is to which island?
Dutch.
Or which language, sorry?
Dutch.
Correct. Music to St. Hugh's. With which genre of music would you associate the name Peter Tosh?
Reggae.
Correct. Music for Mount Airy. With which genre of music would you associate the name Shirley Caesar? Or Caesar?
Gospel.
Correct. Mathematics for St. Hugh's. The ratio of boys to girls in a school is 4 to 11. What fraction of the students in the school are girls?
11/15.
Correct. Mathematics for Mount Airy. As part of a recipe, the chef mixes 13 tablespoons of flour to 8 tablespoons of sugar. What fraction of the mixture is sugar?
8/21.
Correct. St. Hugh's, sports. This is a visual question. Please look on the monitor and identify this person.
Someone on the Lakers. Chris Paul.
Incorrect. NBA player, Lonzo Ball. Sports to you, Mount Airy All-Age. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
J.R. Smith.
Incorrect. NBA player, JaVale McGee. St. Hugh's. And that is the bell. The scores currently read Mount Airy All-Age on 6 points and St. Hugh's Prep on 7 points. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, set a savings goal. Get a piggy bank or other means of storage which is not easy for you to access. Then, make periodic deposits in your bank account until you reach your goal. Please stay with us. This match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.